Good evening and welcome back. I'm Gauri Shankar from Aglogains. Okay, now straight away let me go to whatever we have discussed in the morning. See, morning मैंने आपको एक अच्छा सा strategy के बारे में बताया था, which was a complete intraday strategy. And we'll just try to analyze the whole strategy कि कैसा था, if it has given profits, how much it was, if it is losses, so how much losses we've got, how much losses we have got, वो सब अपन आज डिस्कस करते हैं. ठीक है. First of all, we'll just try to have a quick review of what was the strategy, right? So the strategy is something like this. आप बैंक निफ्टी स्पॉट, ओके, आप सेलेक्ट करते हैं, बट हियर at बैंक निफ्टी स्पॉट वी रियली डोंट हैव major क्या कहते हैं कि so that you don't really give a lot of importance to the bank nifty spot price anything. See, all that you need to do is at about 9, that 9:15 to 9:30 तक अपन market में we don't really trade anything, we don't do anything. All that we do is we'll just try to observe between 9:15 to 9:30. So 9:30 के बाद में जैसे जैसे धीरे 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 मार्केट थोड़ा सेटल होता है कि समवेयर एट अबाउट 9:40 9:50 उसके आसपास में जनरली मार्केट थोड़ा काम डाउन हो जाता है. जो मॉर्निंग फर्स्ट आवर का जो वॉट एवर रश एंड द वाइल्ड मूवमेंट्स ऑफ द बैंक निफ्टी स्पॉट जो भी होता है, it cools down a bit. Okay, that's the time we enter. So what do we do? First we take a call of 10 rupees call which we buy, and 10 rupees put which we buy. This is just only for the hedging, but this is to bring down your margin requirement. Okay, first we do that, and after that what do? We just take the call option. So call option जहाँ पे भी 300 rupees का आपको मिल रहा है, so the call option which is priced at 300 rupees, उसके आसपास क्या नहीं, 320, 300, 310 or 290, 280, wherever it is close to 300 rupees, you'll select that. Same way, even put option also 300 के आसपास का, so you'll select that and you'll go short. That is, you'll be selling that. Okay, this is all for the paper trading, and this is all for the only for the information. Okay, don't straight away do the trading. I seriously suggest that you need to have a lot of practice, because at Aglogains we always insist upon the practice, and we ask you to do a little research and try to understand the markets better. Now coming back to it, so what is the position like? What we have discussed in the morning at about 9:35, 9:30 at come live, and up to 9:40 I think we have given this. So 10 rupees call and put option will buy, okay, and sales क्या होता है? Call 300 rupees worth का और put 300 rupees worth का, will try to sell it up. That's the whole strategy. Then next what? So whenever the market moves, so 300 rupees का 20%, that is 60 rupees, 360 rupees. Suppose let us say call has moved from rupees 300 to 360, we exit. Yeah, put अगर 300 rupees के आसपास का, so all that you need to do is, what is the price? Let us say you've got around 310 rupees. So 310 into 20% plus करे तो आपको उसका प्राइस आ जाता है, वहाँ पे आपको एग्जिट हो जाना है. So one leg you'll be exiting. So you'll be exiting from a call के तरफ अगर प्राइस बढ़ गया है तो आपको उसको 20% के आसपास में आपको एग्जिट हो जाना चाहिए. ओके, सेम थिंग विद पुट, एंड द रिमेनिंग वन इट विल कंटिन्यू. रिमेनिंग जो भी है, अगर लेट अस से कॉल एग्जिट हो गया, पुट के पुट व्हाट डू वी डू विद द पुट? बट जो भी अपना एंट्री लेवल है वहाँ पे पुट को लेके आके विल जस्ट पुट इट देयर. ओके, दैट विल बी द स्टॉप लॉस प्राइस, and we'll keep that and we'll watch till the end. Okay, so we have, in fact, yesterday I've already done 2 videos on this strategy. I mean, where we have given 2 random examples. मैंने दिया है, one was day for yesterday and the other one some random date which we have given, and it has really given us good profits, and let us see how it will be. Okay, so now I'll just we will go through for a review here. Okay, so what we have done is we have done this on a stock mark. What is stock mark? It's just, it will give you the it's a back testing tool, so you can just check with that. Okay, okay, now here are the levels. What we have done, so here we have done, first we have selected call buying, which is at 10 rupees. Okay, then we have also selected call, okay, for selling purpose is at 288 rupees. Same thing with put, 10 rupees ka put हमने buy किया है. You can see buy signal here, call buy, put buy, which is 10 rupees plus. And same thing for the 300 rupees के आसपास में. So that is 304 put अपने को मिला है, which we have sold, and 288 का जो भी call है, so वो भी हमने sell किया है. How much we have done? For the calculation purpose, जो easy होता है उसके लिए हमने 10 lots का we have done it. Actually, we have not done today this. We have not taken a real trading. We have just because we are into the other weekly trading जो भी हमने किए हैं, इस पे मैंने it's only the paper trading. What even I have done a paper trading on this. Okay. Now what happened? So this we have taken somewhere at about in the morning at about 9:40 के आसपास में अपने को A price मिला है. If you can see the other video of mine, you would understand the time and everything. So we have at that particular time we have taken this. Okay. Now let us say 300 rupees 300 put price 304 के ऊपर 20%. We'll just make a quick calculation. 304 into 20%. Okay. So it comes to 60.8. That is plus equal to, that comes to 364 rupees का put. अगर A बढ़ गया है, so 364 में we will exiting. And the same thing is with call. It is 288 and this into 20%. So 57 rupees plus it comes to 345. If call touches this call, which is at 288, if this touches 345, so we exit this. Okay. What is the other point which I was telling? If in case we exit call, we ensure that the put price that around it will be around 260 or something. उसको अपन stop loss के यहाँ पे whatever the entry level, this is the entry level, so उसको अपन entry level में we'll just put it as a stop loss. Okay, that's the whole setup. So we have done this today, and you can see here at the end of the day, this particular strategy, this has given us 28,000 rupees, 28,011 rupees, which you can see the P&L account. Very simple. Okay. तो इसको हमने क्या किया है? So let us see how it works out here. क्या हुआ actually? So call, we have decided call, we exit call at what price? Call we would exit at 345. That's what we have discussed. I've made a small note in the morning. So this is the rough one which we have done in the morning. So call we should exit at 345. तो call कहाँ पे 345 टच हुआ है वो अपन देखते हैं. Okay, here we go. Right. So call. Actually, market has काफी देर तक more or less it was manageable था, but at somewhere here it suddenly at about 2:55, 3 o'clock there it took a very big this one jump. Okay, so this call, okay, where did it go? 288 का call कहाँ पे? 345 rupees. So here you can see the price here. Okay, slowly we'll move this. So this is 345, 345. यहाँ पे 341 तक भी गया, लेकिन फिर वहाँ से नीचे आ गया. Then this has gone up to 330, यहाँ पे 345. Okay, so at about 3 o'clock का candle पे we have got on a 5 minutes candle. This is a 5 minutes candle. So at about 3 o'clock, our call almost closing time can almost half an hour still the time was there. So 345. So what do? We exited the 345 call. Okay, and then let's cut back. So 345 यहाँ पे 288 whatever we have entered at 288.05. 345 को हमने इस पे we have exited, wherein we have booked a loss of 14,402 rupees. That's a loss. But don't worry, if you have booked a loss over there, when 288 it becomes 345, your 304 rupees also would have come down. That works out to be in favor. Okay, so 304 वाला धीरे धीरे कम होता गया, but this we have exited. Then this would have been somewhere at around 240, 260 आसपास के प्राइस में रहेगा होगा शायद. We'll just check that also. Put, okay, at 3 o'clock, what is put? Let's see. Increase the size. Okay, right. So this is 3 o'clock. So somewhere here, at 3 o'clock. This is something like about 195k aspas mein. This would have been. So we have what we have done. We have exited this, okay, 288 call at 345, and this was something like about 195 something. So once it is at 195, what do? We just bring it back to the entry level 304 पे अपन वहाँ पे इसको stop loss लगा के we'll just leave that. Okay, don't bother about this buy options of 10 rupees and all. They become around 5 rupees, 6 rupees तक हो जाता है. Just leave it. At the end of the day, you have to exit. So this we have done. So at the end of the day, if you see here, what happened? This our put price has gone down to 128. Okay, so which we have sold at around in the morning. We have sold at what price? 304. This has ended up at 128 rupees, giving you a profit of 44,000 rupees. So 44,000 is your gain minus all this 525, 1087 and 14,402, and you have ended up with a profit of 28,000 rupees. So this is today's. This is exactly in front of you. You can just go and check all this. Once again, you can make a small paper trading like, and you can do it on any day. Any day you can just check. So it works, and it may not be like every day it doesn't give you profits. But we have taken three examples. One day for yesterday is one random one, and today morning it's a practical thing what we have taken in the morning today. This was a live trading. So at 9:40 we have entered, and we have closed at around 320. Generally we close at 320. So at 320 this has given you 28,000 rupees. Okay, and it's not that always you make profit. There are days where you do make losses. So the losses also, of course, it will be around 14,000-15,000 rupees. If you take this one 10 lots, then you can do it with 1 lot, 2 lots, 5 lots, 10 lots. We are doing it basically to say for example 10 lots, how much it has given? 28,000 rupees. So if it has 1 lot, it gives you 2,800 rupees. If it is, let's say you've done it with 2 lots, so 4,006. So likewise, you can 5,600. So you can in multiplications आपको easy होता है. So इसलिए हमने इसको हमने 10 lots यहाँ पे बता रहे हैं. Depending upon your thing, because for 10 lots, this would cost you around 9 lakhs approximately. It's showing 6.74 because the markets have closed here. So it approximately around 8 to 9 lakhs. Then depending upon your the platform what you're using, around 8 to 9 lakhs the requirement hota hai. So if you want to bring it down, you say you'd like to do it with 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, depending upon your capital. So you can always do it with 1, 2 lakh. Okay, that's a live trading which we have given in the morning at about 9:40, and we have closed this at 3:20, and the results are in front of you. All right, so please do practice this. Please do practice it, and try to go back and try to check the historical data also. That's one of the very good tricks. In fact, most of the traders, the regular traders also, whatever the big capital they have, a small amount, they try to reserve this, because it gives most of the times, at the end of the day, if you do it for almost 20-22 trading days in a month, so maybe you lose some, you gain some, but when you gain a very big amount. So that's how this whole concept it works. Okay, so आज के लिए इतना ही है. Okay, and you know that Monday is a holiday. Okay, so the next it will be on Tuesday. So once again, I request you to please encourage us. Please do share and subscribe. Okay, and you'll have more information on such type of strategies and how to protect our capital, because once you are with your capital, so is ठीक है, छोटे मोटे losses तो अपन we can bear that, but losses should never be the huge one. So we try to tell you all those tricks. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks for your support and encouragement. Okay, with this I sign off. Okay, good night to you.